Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Latif Mohammadi. I am a registered migration agent with Victoria Immigration Consultants. My migration agent's registration number is 2518734. Our office is located in the city of Melbourne in the suburb of Dandenong, and we are experts at Australian migration law and Australian citizenship law. Today's topic of conversation for the purpose of recording this video will be: what are the basic eligibility requirements a person must satisfy before they can apply for their Australian citizenship? So there are a couple of requirements. I'll go through them in order. Requirement number one is the person must hold an Australian permanent residency at the time of applying for their citizenship. And requirement number two is they must have held that permanent residency for at least 12 months prior to application date. Requirement number three is the person must have lived in Australia for at least 4 years continuously. And the other requirement is the period of absences over the last 4 years from Australia must be either 12 months or less than 12 months. The other requirement is for anybody who is between the ages of 16 to 59, the person must sit and pass an Australian citizenship test before their citizenship application can be approved by the Department of Home Affairs. And then the other requirement is the person must be of good character, so they must not have any sort of significant criminal history in Australia. And then if there are children, the children who are aged under 16 can be included in the application, in the parent's application, for free. So there is no more government fees to pay for that child if they're under the age of 16 and they're included in the citizenship application made by their parent. And then if the child has reached the age of 16 or they're over 16, the child must apply on their own and they must make a separate application. So basically anybody who is either 16 or over 16, they must apply on their own. Even husband and wife, they cannot be together in one application. And then after a person meets all of these eligibility requirements and they sit and pass their Australian citizenship test and they have no criminal history, then the citizenship application will be approved by the Department of Home Affairs. As of 2026, the average processing time for citizenship applications is around 10 months. If you need proper guidance and professional assessment for your case, and if you want to apply for any Australian visa or Australian citizenship, you can get in touch with our office. All you have to do is send us a DM on the social media channel that you're watching this video on, and then you can book a paid consultation, and then we'll be able to help you with your situation. Thank you very much for watching this video until the end. I hope to see you and speak to you at the next video. Thank you very much.